Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to Bean Picker, where health meets wealth. I'm Tyrone, and today we're going to dive into something serious. So, as you all know, new tariffs have officially hit the U.S. and certain states, maybe even yours, are about to feel it the hardest. So if you've been wondering what this means for your wallet, your job, or even your grocery bill, you're in the right place. So let's break it down. So, as you all know, on April 2nd, 2025, President Trump signed an executive order imposing a universal 10% tariff on all imports into the United States. He called it a Liberation Day move designed to reclaim American economic independence. So, but here's the kicker. It's just not a 10% flat rate. Some countries are facing an even higher tariff like China, Mexico, Canada, and others. So who ends up paying for all of this? You and me. Why? Because the price of imported goods is going up fast. From groceries to electronics to construction supplies, everything is getting more expensive. So now let's talk about which states are about to get hit hardest and why. So in Kentucky, tariffs will cost that state nearly 5% of its GDP, the highest in the nation. Manufacturing and farming are massive there, and both depend heavily on imports. Indiana, Tennessee, and Mississippi, these states rely on auto and machinery and manufacturing. So with many parts coming from abroad, rising costs will pressure local businesses and jobs. So in Michigan and in Wisconsin, both are home to auto plants and industrial manufacturing. As tariffs drive up the cost of parts, production costs spike and workers can really feel it. And in Montana, over 90% of Montana's imports come from Canada. Now heavily tariffed. Farmers, ranchers, and even energy consumers will be affected. In Texas, as the #1 exporting state in the country, Texas is at serious risk. Oil, manufacturing, and construction industries will see price hikes and delays. And of course, California's agriculture like almonds and fruit, tech and construction sectors will really feel that pinch, from higher equipment costs to retaliatory tariffs. So what does this mean for everyday people like you and me? Higher prices at the grocery store, more expensive gas and electricity in energy-heavy states, layoffs or slowed hiring in farming, manufacturing, and retail, delayed construction projects, and rising rent and housing costs. Less money in your pocket for health, fitness, and family needs. So in short, this isn't just a government issue, this is a kitchen table issue. It's going to affect your wallet, whether you're in Kentucky, California, or anywhere in between. So what can you do about it? Here are a few smart steps. The first thing I would do, stock up on essential non-perishables now. I would look at buying local and support American-made products. So support your community. If they have a business, support it. Build an emergency fund. Even $10 a week adds up. Watch your budget. Track where every dollar is going in your home. So subscribe to channels like this one for more strategies to stay ahead. So what I'll be doing, I'll be following this story and giving you more tools to keep your money strong and health on track. So hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment letting me know where you're watching from. I'm Tyrone. This is Bean Picker, where we grow healthy and wealthy together. See y'all next time.